Here at Archant, we have a large range of stainless steel sinks. Whether you want a single or double bowl or with a drainer, we have you covered. One of the questions we are frequently asked by our customers is how to clean and maintain a stainless steel sink. Hi, I'm Tash, Sales Support here at Archant. Like with any sink, we do recommend a simple daily clean to keep your sink looking fresh and shiny. Calcium, lime and rust spots can severely tarnish the look of your stainless steel sink over time. Thankfully, this material is quite resilient and can be made to look new again with just a little bit of effort. To start your daily clean, simply rinse the entire sink with warm water, cleaning all the exposed areas by scrubbing thoroughly with a non-scratch sponge and a cleaning solution. We find that Jif or our Frankie Twister works wonders. Use a generous amount of the product and allow it to stay on for about 3 to 5 minutes. It may be tempting to use an abrasive pad, but these are harsh and can damage the surface of your sink. As you're cleaning, be mindful of the sink's edges and creases, as this is where the stubborn stains can hide. Pay careful attention to the small crevices of the drain and the stopper as well. Once you have gone over the whole sink, rinse it entirely with cool water, wipe dry with a clean absorbent cloth. For a deeper clean, we recommend polishing your stainless steel sink. It's a great way to bring back its shine and can also help to reduce messes sticking to the bowl surface. To do this, just use a drop of cooking oil or a simple metal polish and buff to the surface with a microfiber cloth. Routine care will save time in the long run, as the sink will look its best with less effort. Once you remove the hard water spots, lime scale deposits, soap scum and calcium marks, the sink won't accumulate deposits as easily in the future. If you're looking for an eco-friendly cleaning option without the use of harsh chemicals, there are some great household items that you can use. Simply combine 1 cup of white vinegar with 5 tablespoons of baking soda in a large mixing bowl. Just be careful when you do this, as there will be a momentary reaction once the ingredients are combined. Add the liquid mixture to a spray bottle and apply it to the sink. The vinegar acts as a natural disinfectant and helps to remove hard water stains. Meanwhile, the baking soda is abrasive enough to remove grease, stuck on food and other deposits. It's not so abrasive as to damage your stainless steel sink. We recommend to let this sit for 15 to 20 minutes before rinsing with warm water, drying with a soft towel or microfiber cloth. It's a gentler way to clean the sink, but still very effective. You can finish off by applying a few drops of olive oil with a lint-free cloth to bring up a beautiful shine. Sometimes people notice how stainless steel sinks can scratch. This is not actually a defect or a flaw, but a natural part of the aging process. Over time, your stainless steel sink will develop its own unique patina, where the scratches just blend into the shimmering surface. Any perceived imperfections will become less apparent as you continue to use and enjoy your sink. This aging process is the same for all stainless steel sinks, regardless of the brand or the model. Stainless steel sinks that are not earthed are prone to rust spots and discoloration. No matter how often you clean them, the problem will continue to persist. It is a requirement that stainless steel sinks are earthed. Water is a good electrical conductor. Any electrical leakage from a faulty circuit will use any moisture to travel to earth. Therefore, earthing the sink will prevent electrocution. As you can see, this entire cleaning process is done by hand using things you likely already have around the house. There are no special tools required to achieve transformative results. Considering how often your sink is used, it's recommended that you perform this kind of maintenance regularly. You can check out our full range of stainless steel sinks at archant.co.nz.